How the crypto market works. Ever felt like the crypto market is a giant digital puzzle that moves at the speed of light? One day Bitcoin is soaring, the next it's a roller coaster ride. But behind the hype and the headlines, there is a clear, logical system at play. Welcome back to New Informative. Today, we're stripping away the jargon. We'll show you exactly how the crypto market works, from the tech that powers it to a simple step-by-step of how a transaction actually happens. If you're ready to finally understand the future of money, hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. What exactly is the crypto market? To understand crypto, you first have to understand decentralization. In the traditional world, if I want to send you $100, we both rely on a bank to verify that I have the money and you receive it. The bank is the middleman. In the crypto market, there is no bank. Instead, we use a blockchain. Imagine a digital notebook that everyone in the world can see, but nobody can erase or change. When a transaction happens, thousands of computers around the world check the notebook to make sure it's legit. This network of computers is what makes the market decentralized. It's powered by the people, not a central authority. People buy or sell transaction work. It usually happens in 3 easy steps. The exchange. First, you need a place to trade. Think of platforms like Binance or Coinbase as the stock market for crypto. You link your bank account, deposit your local currency, and you're ready to go. The order. When you click buy on Bitcoin, the exchange finds someone else on the other side of the world who wants to sell. The exchange matches you instantly. The wallet. Once the trade is done, your crypto is stored in a digital wallet. This isn't a physical wallet, but a set of digital keys that prove you own that specific piece of the blockchain. Buying is simply swapping your fiat, like dollars or euros, for a digital asset. Selling is just the reverse. You swap your crypto back for cash, which you can then send back to your bank. What moves the prices? Why do prices change so fast? It comes down to 2 big things: supply and demand. Scarcity. Take Bitcoin, for example. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. Because the supply is limited, if more people want to buy, the price goes up. Sentiments and news. Crypto is highly sensitive to news. A big company like Tesla accepting Bitcoin or a new law being passed can cause a wave of buying or selling in seconds. The crypto market might look complex, but at its core, it's just a new way to trade value without needing a middleman. It's transparent, it's global, and it never sleeps. The market is open 24/7. If you found this breakdown helpful, give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comments, are you a hodler or a day trader? Thanks for watching New Informative, and we'll see you in the next one.